Welcome back again to the Blockchain Economy Istanbul Summit. I hope you all had your lunches and you're ready with your full energy for our first keynote speaker. Let's just get started. So Ivan Kurnavin will be the head of business development at OWNR Wallets. We'll be talking about building crypto ecosystem, which is a very important title actually. Welcome Ivan, and the stage is yours.
How's the sound? Can you hear me well, guys? Yeah. Thank you. My name is Ivan Kurnavin. I'm heading the business development department at OWNR Wallet. I'm glad to meet everyone, and I'm happy to make my presentation for you today. The presentation is dedicated to our vision of business ecosystems, about our way how we are building our OWNR Wallet ecosystem and where we're going to. So, what is a business ecosystem in general? Business ecosystem is a combination of goods and services available for users from the single point or in the easiest way possible. Business ecosystems also help the customers to get more substantial results for the time spent. One of the best examples is the shopping mall, where you can buy a new TV set while your wife is busy with manicure, your car is being washed, and your kids are messing on the playground. When talking about crypto and financial industries, today we have everything in our laptops and mobile phones, but things were not that simple years before. Of course, in 1960s, you would have to send your check to the bank to be processed and make several calls. Things got better in 1990s when the internet became really affordable, and with the technological revolution of the new millennium, things and services moved to portable devices, so now you can take your bank anywhere you want to go. Just about 10 years later, the Bitcoin arrived with the new technology of the blockchain, and the industry of finance has started to change once again. And today, we have the combination of crypto and financial services inside single application, which can be called business ecosystems as well. I'm going to show you, this development was possible only due to combination of the services from service providers into business ecosystems. That's the easiest and one of the most efficient ways to achieve success on the market today. And of course, there is an increasing demand from the market. Everyone is seeking for superior financial tools, and the whole population in the world is getting more digitalized. I'm going to show you the progress of the development of OWNR Wallet ecosystem. I'll be using OWNR as an example. Of course, some other brands have started their path before us, and the order of their steps was different, but I'll try to describe the general idea. In 2018, we have decided to make a secure crypto wallet, which is not a business ecosystem yet. Our first mobile app releases took place in 2019, in April, and it was obvious for us that our customers want to buy crypto with their bank cards. This brings us to the first collaboration with an acquiring partner, and this makes OWNR Wallet an ecosystem already, as we are now combining crypto and financial services in the same app. Later that year, we have also integrated our payment gateway into Bitfinex crypto exchange, and with that, we have stepped to the market of the corporate service providers. And in addition to that, we have published our app on all platforms, PC and mobile, to attract more customers and to empower the ecosystem. In 2020, when the COVID pandemic began, the financial market has started to change once again. Everything moved to online format, but the most of the shops still cannot accept payments in crypto. So here comes a solution, crypto cards. Isn't that great? You just top up your card with a Bitcoin and then buy anything online or offline. In OWNR Wallet, we have started issuing Visa prepaid cards in June 2020, and the number of the customers is still growing. We have also proceeded with our geography expansion with an MSB license in the United States. So now OWNR ecosystem becomes transcontinental. Last year, in 2021, last year was another to-the-moon year for the crypto industry. The Bitcoin price was above $60,000 last autumn, if you remember. In addition to crypto cards, we can now find IBAN accounts available with several crypto service providers. As for OWNR, we have proceeded with our geography expansion. New licenses in Australia, Canada, and Czech Republic were obtained. Some of them has just appeared on the market. What else happened in 2021 is that we have started providing our services for corporate clients more actively. This is still a big deal all over the globe for companies to buy or sell crypto officially. And as a multi-licensed international company, OWNR Wallet is ready to help here, just like many other companies can. Today, we can see a lot of specialized crypto service providers on the market. Some of them providing crypto loans and staking services, others provide crypto acquiring services. Some unicorns are selling crypto domain names, which brings us to the Web3 generation. So how should the perfect crypto wallet app or crypto and financial wallet app should look like today? It should be a super secure, super safe, and super fast application for individual and corporate clients at reasonable costs. For example, a person can buy and exchange crypto, can trade it or give a loan to gain some profits, then withdraw these profits to the fiat or spend it somehow. The user also gets top news, signals, and bonuses in the same app, in addition to, say, NFT marketplace or blockchain-based games, and things like that. And it all should be done legally. Most of the biggest crypto brands have also started issuing their custom tokens to be utilized inside their platforms. We think that the project tokenomics is one of the most powerful and extremely powerful tools today to attract new customers, to increase the trust level and the value of your company in general. In OWNR, we are structuring our tokenization at this moment, paying a lot of attention to legal and reputational aspects. We believe that for healthy tokenomics, there should be at least two types of the tokens, a utility stable token and a security token with a price volatility related to the achievements of the company. And like I said before, all the things and all the services should be available at the same place, like your mobile app or a PC app. So these apps are becoming really complicated, a lot of options, buttons, and so on. So they are becoming super apps. We all knew WeChat app, which is a combination of social network in China with a combination of payment services, chat, data transfer, and so on. And the whole Chinese market is utilizing it quite successfully, despite the fact that it's really complicated app for someone. Telegram, all we know and we all use it, is another type of the super app, maybe of some different type, but it still contains a lot of services for individuals and corporate clients. If we take a look around to the industry of crypto service providers, please click, yeah. If we take a look around to the industry of crypto, we will find only several names who can provide the whole scope of the services to their customers, so they can be called crypto super apps. It's Crypto.com, Binance plus Trust Wallet, and several more names. All of them have started with something smaller and then grown up to the whole crypto ecosystems. So this is where OWNR Wallet is going to. These days in 2022, we can see general market adoption in different countries, new regulations being built in different countries. Like I said before, a lot of crypto staking and acquiring service providers and numerous Web3 and decentralized web applications. Here is a brief overview. Here is a brief overview. I do apologize. Yeah. Here is a brief overview of the crypto ecosystem development defined by years for you to see the progress. It's worth noting that all the development and improvements must take place on multiple levels at the same time. I mean, when you create your new feature, you should make sure that it is legal and covered on the regulatory level, and you should also care that it will be promoted properly. In OWNR, please. Yeah. In OWNR, we have already achieved a lot by this day. Our audience and volumes are growing every day. The list of supported assets and functions is being enhanced. Recently, we have launched our lifetime affiliate program to attract new customers and to help our partners to earn with us. For now, I would like to suggest you, I do apologize. Something is wrong with the clicker. For now, I'd like to suggest you to become dreamers for a minute. What would you like to see in your favorite crypto or financial app? What will await us in the future? Would it be a secure blockchain-based chat, or a dashboard to manage your Web3 application, or maybe a social media profile? Who knows? Feel free to share your ideas with us. We'll take care of them, definitely. In conclusion, I'd like to recap that the crypto ecosystems have developed enormously within 5 or 7 last years, and now they are competing with traditional banking services and even sharing the same audience with them. And such a growth is a result of the combination of service providers' forces into business ecosystems, and of course is a result of the increasing demand from the audience. Crypto and traditional financial apps are really close to each other, but they are still different, and they will have their own ways of the development, but still really close. And I hope that OWNR Wallet and other companies, ecosystems, will do their best to make the global crypto adoption happen. Thanks for your attention. Our team is here for the both days of the summit. We'll be happy to talk to you in person. Thanks a lot. And now we have about 3 minutes for your questions. I'll be happy to answer them.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, hi.
I've got a question. Do you guys support native Solana transactions into and out of the wallets?
I'm not sure. Could you please repeat some echo?
Yeah. Do you guys support native Solana transactions in and out of your wallets?
Solana was added about 2 weeks ago, so yeah, you can utilize Solana and Solana tokens with our app. The app is non-custodial wallet, so you control the seed phrase and private keys.
Perfect, thank you.
Someone else who is not sleeping after the lunch?
Hi there. You said that you launch a utility token. I want to ask you, what's the cover for your utility token or stable coin?
We are planning to issue these tokens, but could you please repeat the question?
What's the cover for your utility token or stable coin? For example, for eGold, it's gold in the bank. And what do you have for covering your utility coin?
For covering where it's going to be utilized, you mean?
No. I don't mean utilizing. I mean that how should we trust your utility coin or stable coin? What's the cover of your stable coin?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Talking about stable coin, that would be a utility one for our customers to pay some fees and get some bonuses inside our ecosystem, and probably sort of airdrops and things like that. It will be based on the main net of some well-known network, say Ethereum, maybe Solana. We are still considering and thinking about it. Talking about security token. That's why I've mentioned that we are paying a lot of attention to reputational and legal risks, as we actually waiting for, a massive number of companies will be ready. Not the companies, countries will be ready to accept such type of investments for their citizens, and that will be the first countries where we will go to sell our security token. So it won't be globally available, listed on dozens of exchanges at the same time. No, it's not our path. That's why we're still structuring it. Thanks.
Do you have any restrictions for any countries in your platforms?
Yeah, definitely we do. Like I said, in answer to the guy before, the wallet itself is non-custodial, so there are, not so much restrictions. You can use it everywhere where you have internet. And so, of course, when you want to buy or sell crypto using using the cards or using SEPA account, of course, there are restrictions applied on our level and on our partners' level as well. But we have pretty much global coverage. I think the time is up. Thanks again for your attention. That was a pleasure. Have a good day.
Okay, Ivan, thank you very much. It was very nice, the Q&A part 2. Thanks
Thanks.
a lot. Thank you very much.